Yes, beta. In next topic, we will discuss about the parts of plants. Generally, there are two type of systems which constitute the parts of plant. One is root system. Second is shoot system. What is difference between root system and shoot system? Root system is generally underground part of a plant. Okay, that are in the form of roots, and shoot system are the above the ground part of the plants. Further, the type of roots we will discuss in this chapter about tap root and fibrous root, and example of tap root radish, carrot, and fibrous root wheat, maize, and grass. Then main thing is we will discuss in this chapter function of the roots. So now we will discuss about these topics in detail. Parts of the plant. The body of a plant consists of many parts. Each parts of a plant has specific function that it perform. Okay, here we can see that both part of the plant group of two or more parts form a system. Okay, here what two system are there? One is shoot system, which is above the ground, and second is root system, which is below the ground. So these two system of plants shown in this figure. Now we will discuss about these systems in detail. About first is root system. Root system is most important part of the plant. Okay, beta, these activities are not in our syllabus. These one also not in our syllabus. So what is root system? That one, the non-green part of a plant which remain and grow underground, means below the soil, is called root system. Root develop from radical part. The radical part is present generally in seed part. The two parts are there. One is radical, second is plumule. Radical part, from radical part root develop, and plumule part shoot develop. Okay. Next thing is type of roots. There are generally two type of roots. First is tap root, second is fibrous root. Tap roots, here you can see a tap root. Okay, so tap root is a main root which develop from a radical, and it grow sideways. Here you can see sideways along all sides, and this type of root is generally present in case of pea plant, radish plant, carrot plant, neem plant, mango plant, many more plant. So main tap root, this main tap root grow vertically downward toward the soil in this case. Second one, beta, fibrous root. Fibrous, see here fibrous, thread like structure, fibers like structure. So that fibrous root is a cluster of thin fiber like root at the base of the main stem part. It's a main stem part. From below the stem part it arises, and it spread throughout the soil. And this type of root generally often you see in case of wheat, maize, grass, millet. Next thing, important thing is the function of the roots. Root perform many functions in case of plants. Like first, root hold the plant firmly in soil. Means root help the plant to deep penetrate into the soil, and it spread throughout the ground and help the plant in more anchorage in the soil. Anchorage means to, you can say, attachment to the soil. Okay, root help the plant to remain standing even in case of strong winds. We often see with the strong wind plant move here and there, but still they are, after some time they again stand, but not damaged, or you can say not die. Okay, second thing is their root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Plant require water and minerals for their development, for their growth. So what thing help on to getting that minerals from the soil? That is root. Root have a root hairs. On the previous diagram you can see here root hairs, hair like structure. So that type of root hair structure are present in the main root part that help to absorb the water and minerals from the soil that are needed for plant growth. Next is root prevent the soil erosion. If we grow on open land plants, so that reduce the soil erosion. Soil erosion means removal of uppermost layer of the soil by wind. Okay, so or water you can say. So root prevent the soil erosion. Beta, this next topic modification is not on our syllabus.